Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Google Business Profile not publicly visible. Okay, first things first, log into your Google My Business account and ensure that all of your business information such as address, phone number, and business hours is accurate and up to date. Next is to follow the verification process to prove the authenticity of your business. Verification methods can include receiving a postcard with a verification code, a phone call then, or an email. Once verified, Google will have more confidence in your business legitimacy, and your profile will then become public visible. However, sometimes certain settings might accidentally hide your Google Business Profile from the public. So, what you want to do is to go to your Google My Business dashboard and review your settings. Ensure that the profile and location visibility options are set to public. By making these adjustments, you will then allow your business profile to be shown to potential customers searching for products or services like yours. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Google Business Profile not publicly visible. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.